In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image blocks on Squarespace. If you're new to building your website or simply looking to enhance its visual appeal with images, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open Squarespace. Once it's open, make sure you're logged into your account. This will give you access to all the features you'll need to add those captivating image blocks to your site. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. Here, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click it. Once you're in your profile, you'll see the websites you have set up linked to your account. Select the website you want to work on today by giving it a quick click. After choosing your website, head over and click on Edit. This action will bring you into the editing mode, where the magic really happens. Now that you're in editing mode, direct your attention to the various options available on your screen. You'll want to click on Add Block. This option allows you to add various elements to your page, including images, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you click Add Block, a list of options will appear. From this list, choose Image. After selecting Image, you'll see a plus icon, often referred to as a plug icon. Clicking this will unveil a series of options for you to upload your file. These options include selecting files from your library, browsing stock images, or even uploading directly from your mobile device. Choose the method that suits your needs best and locate the file you want to upload. Once you've done that, go ahead and upload it. With your image now uploaded, there's a neat little trick you can do. If you double-click the image, you'll dive into more detailed settings. Under the Content tab, you'll find options to replace or edit your image. This is perfect if you need to make a quick change or adjust the image without altering the entire block. Moving on to the Design tab, you'll discover 3 layout options: Fit, Fill, and Shape. These allow you to adjust how the image appears within the block space, offering great versatility depending on the aesthetic you're aiming for. Additionally, you have the option to enable features like an overlay or a lightbox. These can add extra layers of interaction and creativity to your image presentation, really making them stand out. Once you're satisfied with the image and its settings, everything should auto-save as you exit the editor. Congratulations! You've successfully added an image block to your Squarespace website. Now, your site not only looks more dynamic, but also offers a richer experience for your visitors. Happy creating!